Alright guys, if as you can see, this is that sun visor or whatever it's called. I decided, since I did the headliner right here, I decided I'm gonna do these as well, because this one is ripped here. That one had a cigarette burn, and I haven't seen that many people replacing it, so I decided that I'm gonna do that too. So the way to do this, at least on Mitsubishi Eclipse 2G, is this fabric is actually tucked in right here, and then this whole thing is closed, and then it's actually glued all around here. It has a glue, so once you tuck it in and you close it, it's glued. So after I removed the mirror right there, I stripped everything. I take off everything. I'm gonna put the fabric all around, and I'm gonna show you how it looks when I do that. I'll show you also how to open it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So here it is. This is how to open it. It's easy. You have to just rip this fabric off. As you can see, it's all tucked in there. So yeah, you have to rip it, keep ripping. Alright. Most of the Eclipses will not have this. This is actually for a garage, so most of them will not have that. Alright, so inside here you have to split that glue. So after a lot of fight, I finally managed to do it with this too. So in here, only thing you have is this battery. That's for your garage sensor. You can keep that if you want, or if you're like me, I'm gonna get rid of it. So yeah, like I said, this has been glued like really good. So now I'm gonna have to glue it back on like that, and that should be done. So yeah, let me show you. These two are not even same, which is weird. Like I said, this one is left side, that's left side too. So I have no idea how that happened, but yeah, I guess it got mixed, or it is possible that the previous owner replaced it. So yeah, next thing we're gonna do is, of course, put a new fabric on here. So let me grab the fabric and then I'll show you that. So after you cut it, leave like a 1/4 inch all around. The next step is we're gonna use this 3M headliner fabric adhesive, and we're gonna spray all around so we can glue this thing back on there. Okay, ready? Here we go. Just gonna do this side first. You have to give it about a minute or 35 seconds, and we're gonna fold it just like the headliner. So yeah, give it a little bit of time, let it tack, and then we're gonna fold it to see if it's gonna stay on there. As you can see, it's already sticking. Be careful, this thing is sticky. So alrighty. It takes like about hour to fully cure. So you're gonna have to wait a little bit before you can use this thing. But anyway, let me take this off and fold it on this side like that. Alrighty. As you can see, this side looks brand new. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do this other side. Be careful not to put this back inside the area where you apply the glue. So we're gonna do on this side again. All right, like I said, give it a minute or two, and then you can do the rest. Also, you can decide to put this back. I'm still thinking about it. Maybe I should, but it's easy. You just cut this open, and then you put that back in. So it's not that hard. So yeah, let me finish this, and then I'll show you how to do the rest. Alright, so here it is, guys, a final product. So leave this one aside, and this is where we get it from. So this is pretty much same side, same mirror, as you can see, thing in the back of this one. Of course, this one doesn't have a warning, but yeah, this is the final result of how to replace it. My next is this one, of course, but yeah, this is a pretty much an easy, oh man, that was a good catch, an easy do yourself thing. Like I said, it's not that hard. All you need is a little bit of fabric. You don't have to use actually fabric. You can use some kind of cartoon t-shirt, and you can do it as well if you want to be you know, creative. Same thing with headliner. You don't have to use fabric. You can use I mean, not this type of fabric, any kind of fabric. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. uh, in order to put it back together, I used a crazy glue. I don't know if you can see it right there, crazy glue. It was $1. All you have to do, go back and glue all these. You have to hold it a little bit together so it glues, but other than that, it's easy way to do it, and easy and nice. I mean, of course it's not gonna be like your like OEM style, but hey, this is way better than this. I can tell you that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now, guys. Of course, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.